In a life, you want to do some new things, always lot of disturbance will come. Whenever you want to do, that time you should not bother. Lot of disturbance it comes of somebody will come, the child will cry, current goes off, and from the road the dog barks, and in the pen when you start writing, refill gets so you will be getting over. A mosquito will bite. So many problems are there, but you have to show your persistence. And the moment when I started doing over 20 calls, for every call, the video will cut off. Later somebody said, sir, you put in the aeroplane mode and do it. Yes, now I understood. Again, what? This principle, each one teach one helps. Lot of people are helping me because we are not good in technicality. Slowly we are learning, right? We are not movie makers. Okay, anyway, coming back to this. Here what I did, packing efficiency. What is packing efficiency? Packing efficiency is what? Given by the formula what? Volume of, what is volume occupied by the atoms, plural, divided by volume of a unit cube multiplied by 100. In a crystal, in a cubic cell, how many atoms are there? It depends upon which cell you are using. Z represent number of atoms in a unit cell. For simple cubic is 1. For BCC, that is body central cube, 2. Face center cube, 4. You know how you have to calculate the calculations and all that. Here, Z is number of atom in a cube, and volume of a single atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube. You are done. On that basis only we have calculated. Somewhere I have calculated here. Because the interruption comes, yeah, yes. Packing efficiency of a simple cubic crystal. You know how the but you have to remember for NEET exams, you have to remember. Okay, for the NEET, but remember, for the NEET they have asked this. Most of the students they write it. That's the problem. There are about 8 questions you can answer in all type of competitive exams. Students, for repeated students, I don't know, it may be 3 or 2 marks. I don't know, 2 marks or 3 marks. You can calculate. You can get it. It's so simple. But most of the chemistry student, by looking at the problem, they leave it. But you go through this, it will be. And those who passed the exam, please help those who are appearing for the supplementary, right? It's a big complimentary for them. Now, coming back to this, packing efficiency of BCC. You have to calculate. That is what? Z, volume of the cube, then volume of the unit cell into 100%. For Z of BCC, how many? I think somewhere here, 4 I think, right? Yes, 4. Yes, 4. Sorry, 2. Therefore, here 2. Volume of the cube. Volume of the cube is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by, sorry, volume of the sphere this is. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then volume of the cube is what? A cube, edge length. Now also you know radius of BCC. I've forgotten. Here, yes. Radius of simple cube is how much? A by 2. BCC root 3A by 4. FCC this one. The radius of BCC what? Root 3A by 4. R cube is equal to root 3 whole cube. A cube by 4 cube. Therefore, root 3 into root 3 into root 3. A cube by 64, 4 4 are 6, 64. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Therefore, 3 root 3 to root 3 root 3. A cube by 64. Therefore, R cube. This I am writing it 2 into 4 by 3 into pi. What is R cube? R cube is, you substitute 3 root 3 A cube by 64. In the denominator, this a cube. Happiest moment is what? Cancelling, no? We will be very happy to cancel the numbers. This is also cancel. Over. This is what? 8. 8 times 8 8s are 64. I don't know what root 3 is there. Pi is there. Pi root 3 by 8. Multiply by 100. Okay. See, we are very weak in calculations. We pretend as if we are doing it, but we depend on the calculator only. Some teachers, they are very good in that, and everybody have their weakness. All right, accept the weakness, but overcome the weakness. That is important. 1.73, pi is 3.14 into 8. See, this calculation, you can use the simple calculator. I don't know where I did a mistake here, but I remembered 68 pass. Most of the students, the examination don't show your calculator talent and all. If you already calculated 1 day or 2 days before the exams, if you remember, you have to remember these values. You understood? That is why here z time changing. See, z, this I done. Here what is the percentage you have to write it here? What for simple cubic? For simple cubic, you can remember 54. What is the percentage? I don't know, son. No, 52%. 52.4%. This is packing efficiency. The remaining is what? 47.6%. Write like this tabular column like that. Here is what? Here how much you got? 68%. This is 68%. Therefore, this is 100 minus 68 empty places. I don't know what is the percentage. Let us see. We'll calculate that. What this? Here how much? 100 minus 68 is what? 32%. Here 68%. Now packing efficiency of FCC is equal to Z is what? Number of atoms in FCC, volume of a sphere divided by what? Volume of the simple cube into 100%. You know how to calculate this? 8 into 1 by 8 is the corner, plus how many faces are there? 6 faces. Half of the atom is contributing. Here what? 1 plus 3, that is 4. That is number of atoms in a cube. Now I write here Z is what? 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube of FCC divided by volume edge is what? A cube. Right? Once again, I search for the paper. Yeah. Just now we have worked it out. Radius of the FCC is what? A by 2 root 2. Now you substitute here. R cube is equal to, what do you get? R cube is equal to A cube by 2 root 2 the whole cube. This is what? 2 cube into root 2 the whole cube. That is 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2. This is 8. This is 4 into root 2. Therefore, just I am going to put it here as it is. 4 into 4 by 3 into R cube. R cube is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi. R cube is A cube divided by this value, this quantity, that is 8 into 4 into root 2 divided by A cube. We first clear all this. Here 4 get cancelled. This is 2 times, this is 1 time. It's like a war. Pi by 3 into 2 root 2, that is 3.14 divided by 6 root 2 around, you will get around 74%, you will get it. Therefore, packing efficiency of FCC is equal to 74%. Okay. Therefore, what is empty space? Empty space is what? 100 minus 74. That is 26%. Now, what you have to do, you make a tabular column. What is that? Radius, then number of atom, packing efficiency, and what is the empty space or coordinated number and all that. Just you do this. This is only a preliminary we have done. On this basis, we are going to solve lot of NEET problems and all competitive exams problems. Okay. Therefore, go through that. Go through your tuition notes, college notes, and different internet. Just go through that and take this as a supplementary help. That's all. And whatever I am doing is may not be perfect, but at least a sort of helping hand for you. Right? Thank you for our Professor Jay Kumar and all other faculties. In his absence, they have also helped, guided by faculty. And once again, I am thanking for the encouragement given by my principal to do the social service of all the, not only it is crossing the borders from Andhra, Kerala, even North India, different places I am getting it. Let our Vijaya College set a standard for others for this economically and academically weaker section of the society. Right? Thank you.